Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to open Android recovery menu. To open the Android recovery menu, we have to use hardware buttons. To turn off your device, press and hold the power button, then choose power off from the menu. Wait until the device completely shuts down. Next, enter recovery mode. Press and hold the volume up button and the power button simultaneously. For some devices, you might need to press volume down plus power button, or volume up plus volume down plus power button. Next, navigate to recovery menu. Release the buttons when the manufacturer's logo or a menu appears. Use the volume buttons to navigate to choose options in the recovery. Once you highlight the recovery option, click on the power button to choose it. And we are on the recovery mode. Tips: use recovery mode with caution, as changes here can affect your device's functionality. Always back up your data before performing factory resets or system updates via recovery mode. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.